Sulky specialist for seed drills and fertilizer spreaders. Today I'm going to present you the Progress P50 from Sulky. It's an air drill, it's a new range of seeders, and it's a fantastic machine. So the Sulky Progress, actually the philosophy of the machine, the concept of the machine is to use the same technology as the trailed drills on the Sky range, adapted to a mounted machine. So on a 3-point linkage, the Progress is able to sow 3 different products at 1 different depth and 3 different rate. So the philosophy is today to give the possibility to the farmers to be able to do multi-crops, so companion cropping, cover crops, grain and fertilizer, all in one mounted machines. So the Progress P50, P50 means 50 kilos pressure. The P50 is using a double disc system with a parallelogram, and then we are using only one centralized adjustment for the wall working with. So the Progress actually is available on the P50, but it's also available with the P20 with 3 rows of subfocultures, or the P100 with single disc and 100 kilos down pressure. So that double disc with the press wheel is a very good sowing unit because we have a very wide clearance. Most of the problem on the double disc, it's a very compact system, and our system is made to have a maximum clearance to be able to go through the trash, residues, and to go fast. The Progress, the specificity, sorry, I was telling you earlier, is to be able to have 3 different hoppers, and that will give you the possibility to have grain and fertilizer, mineral or organic fertilizer, and also an additional hopper, which is here at the rear. We got an additional hopper on the top of the machine, which will be giving you the possibility to do microgranular or slug pellets, all in one pass. That machine is also very high tech machine, so it's a fully isobus machine. It's also using the technology E-drive from the Sky drills. It means that you are able to do 1 row and 2 and to adapt the working width of the machine according to the working width of the spreader or the sprayer. Automatically it will adjust the tramline. You have also the possibility to have an anti-blockage sensors, and all the functions are managed from the cab. So that's a very high-tech mounted seed drills for 3 meters and also available on 4 meter versions. Also, what is very well thought on that machine, and the design of the machine is really well integrated, and also ergonomy is very important. We have a very wide platform. So for access, as you can see, it's very easy and safe. You have all the calibration functions which are from there. The bucket is there, the opening of the metering is there, the left or the right of the scale, it's there. You don't need to be a monkey man to be under the drill for the calibration. And then when you put the bucket, you set the metering at the right position. You just have to press one button and then the calibration is done. Bang, 2 minutes without too many movements. You do the same on the other side, and that's done for the machine. Then when the calibration is done, after the specificity of the Progress also, we give the possibility to our customers to be able to use with the Sulky power harrows, more than 20 years experience in the power harrows. We can have 190 horsepower or up to 300 horsepower on the very high-end gearboxes. Different type of rollers, and also a very big point on that machine, it's the possibility to have, instead of the power harrow, a different tool which is called the XR, and the XR are 2 rows of disc to be able to go fast during the summertime. For all-seed rape, for example, you can use disc harrow instead of power harrow. So it takes 5 minutes to change between a power harrow and a disc harrow. It's well made. That's it. I really invite you to come and see us, because the P50, or the Progress I should say, has a lot of unique features that I would like to show you when you will come to see us.